I'm gonna give you my biggest in-person networking tip. So when I was just starting out, it was very hard to get to certain club owners or venue managers because I was just a young guy starting. I found out that one of the managers of a venue liked to drink a certain type of tequila. One of his bartenders told me. So I went out and I sought out this certain specific type of tequila. It wasn't that expensive, but I found it. I then delivered it to the venue, and soon enough, me and this manager became very, very close friends. We're still friends to this day. But when I did it, it gave me this idea. Oh, if you start a relationship by giving, that's an amazing way to make an impression. And I started doing it all the time. Christmas, I drop off a bottle of wine for this person. Oh, this person over there, they celebrate Thanksgiving. I would write them a handwritten note about how thankful I am to have them in my life with our business together. And you can do the same thing. It doesn't have to be expensive. It's about taking the extra step, showing that you care. And that primes the relationship for something positive. So, holiday comes around, Christmas, New Year's, whatever. Try and start out with giving and see how far it takes you. And don't forget, follow us for more.